Hi everyone, welcome to It's My Trading. In this channel, you will get complete stock market knowledge with simple English. Let's start.
Today I want to introduce a best company for short-term investment. Why? Because their businesses are unique and coming years they have chances to grow. Let's start. First I want to say that company name is ABB India Limited. Yesterday ABB India Limited posted their results with good numbers. After that I start research on this company and I see growth in this company in coming years. Why? Because their business is support to latest trend and they had good experience to make that products. First, let us know what is the core business of ABB India Limited. If we check their website, they are engaged in manufacturing of electric motors, generators and transformers. And mostly they are manufacturing electrical equipments for the industries only. Then I start the checking the company results. In these results, yesterday they are mentioned some key points. What they are trying to say is they are manufacturing fast chargers for electric cars and buses. And this is the one reason to increase the revenue in this last quarter. And coming days also, the fast chargers are more demanded. They are doing business with 85 countries. And coming days, they are getting more orders for other countries. So this one key point is attracted to me. After that, I start checking their result. Coming to their results, compared to last quarter, their income slightly negative, but they are controlling their expenses. If we check their expenses number, quarter on quarter also decreased and year on year also decreased. And EPS also giving steadily growth. Finally, coming to the liabilities and assets, I seen difference between liabilities and assets 2:1 ratio. It means 2 assets and 1 liability. So up to now, fundamentals 50% is good. Coming to shareholder pattern, promoters are holded above 70% and also mutual funds are also holding near to 7%. It means promoters are more interested to enjoy their profits. And finally, we have to check is this the right time to buy or not. Let's come to the technical analysis. At a 2008 stock market crash time, highest price is nearly 1600. After that crash, stock fall up to 303. It means nearly 80%. After that, stock rises up to 1600 and again decline up to major support level. The first nearest support level is 1330 and the second major support is 1260. So these are the main levels to enter and the target is again 1600. So this is the complete review on ABB India Limited. Next, coming to today market analysis. If you seen or not, last 3 days markets are closed in profits. For this upside rally, main reason is companies' quarterly earnings. If 10 companies are posted their results, out of 10, 7 companies posted some expected numbers. So that investors takes position and today big fight happened between buyers and sellers also. If anyone observe, open interest change at 11 am. In Nifty said, call side writings are increased. But yesterday already we discussed about major levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Why? Because the last week market fall and COVID cases also increased in India. In this reason, all are expected market will move some more down. But from last few days in markets reacted positively based on the news. And today in the middle of the market time, Maharashtra government announced they are planning to give free vaccination of 18 to 44 aged people. Also, and some of the states also discussing on this free vaccination provided to people. So this is not a small decision. Why? Because US says that Covaxin has more power to rescue in severe position. It means coming days people are vaccinated. Slowly second wave of COVID will be reduced in India. And this was the most positive to the insurance companies and financial companies. For this reason, markets start recovering as well as those who entered of this month, they are planning to close their position with profits so that unexpectedly markets are moving up from last 3 days. Now coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow major levels and be cautioned tomorrow is expiry. In expiry days most of the time markets are in sideways and option buyers also not active. Why? Because in option expiry days option premiums are reduced very fast due to time decay. And if you are a beginner, most of the expiry days avoid trading. Why? Because most of the traders lost heavy amounts in expiry days only. Now coming to Nifty. Tomorrow I see nearest resistance at 15,000. Why? Because call side open interest percentage more compared to put side open interest. And the next resistance is 15,100. This is market experts expected resistance and already start commenting on this. Will Nifty sustain at above 15,100 or not? Next, check supports. I seen major support at 14,500 but nearest support is 14,700. If in case Nifty start falling, 14,500 is the major support line of tomorrow markets. Next coming to Bank Nifty. Today Bank Nifty opened gap up and show very strong bullish momentum. but most of the traders expect at 33,000 level is the main resistance, and last 2 days also markets are growing continuously. But option buyers are expect today market will fall at 33,000 level. But unexpectedly after 11 a.m. Bank Nifty will sustain at 33,000 level above and start bullish momentum. And this bullish momentum continues in afternoon markets also. So that tomorrow Bank Nifty major levels also change. Nearest major resistance level is 34,000 and another major resistance level is 34,500. If in case market start falling is 33,500 is the main support level, and next another main support level is 33,000. So this is the today market analysis. And here anyone facing difficulty to find out stocks for intraday, join my Telegram channel. I will post all main important stock news with support and resistance levels.
Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.